Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful skill for 2025. How to turn any web page into a PDF. Whether you're saving an important article, a recipe, or research material, this method is quick, easy, and works on most devices. Why bother? PDFs are great for preserving formatting and viewing offline, especially in our fast-paced digital world. First things first, let's use the most straightforward method with your web browser. Open your favorite browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to the web page you want to convert. Once it's loaded, look for the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to printing. Click on it and select Print or Print as PDF. In the Print dialog box, choose Save as PDF as your destination. Adjust any settings like page layout or scale if needed, then hit Save. Boom! Your web page is now a PDF file on your device. If that doesn't work for you, try an online converter. Websites like SmallPDF or I Love PDF are fantastic for this. Just copy the URL of the web page, paste it into the converter's input, and follow the prompts to download your PDF. Remember to use reputable sites to avoid any security risks. For mobile users on an Android device, open the Chrome app, tap the three dots, go to Share, and select Print. Then, choose Save as PDF. On iOS, use the Safari browser's share sheet and pick Print, then save it as a PDF from the preview. One quick tip. If the PDF looks messy, try zooming in on the web page before converting or use the Reader View, if available, to strip away ads. In 2025, with AI integrations, some tools might even let you edit the PDF directly. Keep an eye out for that. There you have it, folks, a simple way to convert web pages to PDFs. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.